bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another polymer clay tutorial. This tutorial is going to be very brief. It was not a request by anybody, it's something I wanted to do because I've been watching a lot of Among Us playthroughs this week. You know, Toast and Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, PewDiePie, everybody just playing it. It's just a really fun game to help you focus on the game and escape from things. I personally, if you don't want to hear all my drama, just skip ahead to the tutorial. I've just had a really rough week, and I just barely made anything to be uploaded tonight, so I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. This is literally Friday night. It is literally still in the process of drying from the glazing process too, and you can't see nothing because it is just whited out by this light. There we go. I made one of the crewmates from Among Us, just a cute little standing dude. And you can also use this tutorial in order to make different colored Among Us crew members. You can also change it up and use it to make miniature crew members. And last but not least, I also did this by cutting his legs off and curling his butt a little more to make it look like he's mid-jumping, to make it a venting character, a character venting, so an imposter. He's sus. Red is always sus. But yeah, so you can use this tutorial to kind of pretty much make whatever you'd like. Again, it's going to be really short, that's why I'm talking a lot. Again, this was just a really rough, emotionally rough week for me, so sorry for the lack of energy. And that's also why I didn't wear my ears today. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video anyways, and next week will hopefully be a request tutorial by somebody who wanted me to make some Animal Crossing characters. So as long as the week doesn't go terribly sour, that will be next week's video. Or a monthly artist feature. I might have to see what I can do about that, because I just realized it's going to be October soon. Woo! Time flies. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into this. Again, it's very short, but I still hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next week's video. Bye-bye, my bunnies. For this tutorial, you're going to need Sculpey 3 Sky Blue color, and I also use Primo Silver, I think is what it's called. And let me see, Primo Silver, yeah. And you're going to roll it out into a chubby-wubby little rounded log shape, and then press it down just gently so it's a little flat on the bottom, but still chunky on the top. Then I took this half semicircle tool to cut out the top, and then used my X-Acto blade to cut out the sides. Then I gave it a good pinch with my fingers and rolled it up nice and tight to make it look like chubby legs. Then to make sure he could stand, I just smeshed him onto my surface to make him stand up straight. Once you're done with that, we can make the backpack. So we're going to use a ball about this size here. And to make his front, like his mask part of his helmet, use the same size later. Because I forgot to take a picture. What are we going to do? Oh well. Then I pressed it down with my hand, same thing I did with the body. And then I just cut off the sides and the bottom so that it would be nice and flat. Well, not the sides, just the top and the bottom. Pardon me. Then after that, I went on ahead and stuck it to him. You can use glue for more stability. Then I stuck toothpicks into his legs to make sure he wouldn't fall in the oven. If you don't want the toothpick showing, just put a little bit more clay on top. I'm using a base, so it doesn't really matter if it shows or not. Next, I went on to the silver, and right here is the point where you need to use a ball that's as big as that blue one, so about a half an inch in length. Then press it down, then kind of smash it into like a rectangular shape. Again, I forgot to take a picture here, but I also cut off the edges so it would be more flat. But I forgot. Then I glued it onto his face. Then I went to clean it off before baking it. I used rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs to clean up all the dust and dirt. Then I baked him for 350 degrees for 12 minutes in a gas oven, but if you use electric, cut back on the time and probably only do it for about 8 or 9. Then while he's baking, you can go ahead and paint your base however you like. I used the spawning room floor as my reference, so I just painted it gray. And then I painted on the yellow horizontal and vertical lines like such. I know my lines aren't perfect. I don't claim to be perfect, but you know, it's the best I could do. Once all that's nice and dry, then you can use E6000 and just dab on a tiny bit of glue to both feet. Prop him up against something so he don't fall over and stick him on that base. Once that's thoroughly, and I mean thoroughly dry, then you can glaze it with polyacrylic varnish and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video was brief, but I really hope you still enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next week's video. Bye-bye, my bunnies.